All right, sweet. So 1 and 2, true. 3, I put C. 4, I put C. 5, I put
Yeah.
A.
Yep.
6, I wasn't sure if it was B or A.
I got B because A, there wasn't anything nowhere near, or there was a bunch under -40 or something like that. I don't know. There was stuff above 25. That's why.
Oh, okay. Because I did the math on it, and mine was like 30, -38 and 23, but I put B because that's what I don't ever remember seeing anything being between about.
Yeah.
Okay. 7, Josh, you put B too, okay. 7, I put B.
Yep.
8, I wasn't sure. I kind of put all of them.
I know the first one, but all the rest of them, I'm like, that's pretty much um, all of the requirements.
Yeah.
We'll go with all of them.
What'd you get on this one, Josh? Okay. Let's try them all and see what we get. Oh, wait. Let's see. What's this test?
How did you guys get B for 7?
Yes, B for 7.
How did you get that?
How did we get it? So the way I looked at it on that Excel sheet of the inference where you put all the data, there's a QQ plot where all the scatter plots are located, and they all looked pretty linear. So that's why I put fairly normal,
Yeah.
because they weren't
They
quite
call it hot dog shape.
Yeah. What were you saying, Dennis?
They call it hot dog shape. So just as long as the they're following the linear line, that you can call it fairly normal.
Gotcha. Did you submit yours already, Josh? Okay. Number 9, I got 12.695.
Yep.
Number 10, I got 10.674. '11, I got 14.715. 12, I got D, 13D, and 14A.
Yeah.
15.443. And the way I did that is I just took number 16 and 17. I did so for 16 it's 7.218.
Yep.
And number 17, 8.103, right?
And then divided by 2.
Yeah, so do you do, like, I was looking, I couldn't remember if it matters what one you put first. Does it matter if you put upper minus the lower and then divide by 2?
I'm not sure.
Okay, because I did the upper minus the lower, and that's why it's positive. But if it's lower minus the upper, it's just negative, same number.
Yeah, I don't think you can do it because I think the lower bound is always the lower bound. You know what I mean? So I don't think it's a negative number.
Yeah. Okay.
But I don't know. That's me.
And then number 18, I got A, but I wasn't sure if it was A or C.
I got A. It's the true value. That's the key word.
Okay.
Because I went through and Googled a bunch of stuff on it, and that's the one thing that always comes around is it's always the true value.
Gotcha. Okay.
And
Sweet.
yeah, the we are or the there is, it's always the we.
Gotcha. Any questions on it?
Yeah.
Right, well, I just submitted it, and there are a few that are wrong.
Number what?
So 14 is body length.
Is it body?
Yeah.
And 6 is probably the between -40 and 25.
Let's see what else. 12 is not D. And 8, 8 is not all of them.
We knew that.
So say number 6 is wrong.
Yeah, 6 is not B.
Yeah, 6 is not B, so I think it's A.
And then number 12,
What's that?
I don't know. I'm trying to figure out how to do number
Hold on, let me get down there.
12.
That's interesting.
So 12.
Yeah.
Question.
Oh, number 12 is C. Sorry.
We reject it. Yeah.
Yeah, because the p-value is less than. I was looking at 3.31, right? But I didn't see the E -24, so it's a negative.
It's okay, just don't let it happen again.
Let's see, and then number.
So
Let's talk.
here's the requirements. It says checking requirements is a simple linear regression. There is a linear relationship between X and Y. The term epsilon is normally distributed. The variance of the error term is constant for all values of X. The X are fixed and measured without error. In other words, the X can be considered and known as constants, and the observations are independent.
So,
Hey, I'm busy right now.
we gotta figure out
it? Buddy.
Okay, so we got to test to find out if it meets all these or not.
And check requirement 1, we do 2 things. First, to make sure the scatter plot and to visually check to see if the linear relationship between X and Y is referred to as a hot dog shape. So we do have that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then 2 residuals. The residual for an observation is defined as the difference between the observed value of y and the value then predicted by the regression line as an equation.
So for this, let's see.
Okay, here it is. How to check the 3.5 requirement summary.
Yeah.
Number 1 is linear relationship, and it shows the scatter plot. How to check is what do you hope to see, a hot dog shape or no pattern in the residuals?
There's a hot shape.
Yeah, we do have the hot dog shape, so we know number 1. Normal error term, the QQ plot of the residuals, and points. What we're hoping to see is points of the QQ plot are close to the line, which I don't think they are they?
No, they're not. I just did that one.
And then constant variance residual plot is how to check. So and no megaphone shape in the residual.
That one's good to go then.
And then X's are known constants. You can't check directly. X's should be measured accurately and precisely. So how do you do that?
I have no clue.
And then number 5 is observations are independent. And that one you can't check it directly. And then you hope to see knowing the value of one of the y's tells you nothing about any other points.
So let's see. So that one should be checked. The observations are independent because this is like a score and like a test score compared to confident.
Yeah. So check that one. And we know the top one, right?
Yes.
And A. The variance of the error term is constant for all values. That one. Yeah or no?
That one. The second one can be checked because that's the megaphone one. It says no megaphone.
Yeah. Residuals are normally distributed.
Would that be
that you have to look in the book? I think you have to look on the whatchamacallit for those.
I don't know. They're all over the place, negatives and I mean, this is the one that goes from -40 to 25.
Yeah. I must have that one. Wait,
so
I got the wrong.
So is the third one on the question, the fourth requirement, X's are known constants?
X's are known constants, yes.
And then what would the fourth one on the question be for the requirement? The X values are measured without error. Would that be the second requirement?
Hold on 1 second. So X's, what you hope to see is X's should be measured accurately and precisely.
So the third one should be checked because those are precise.
We have to leave one out at least.
So it'd be the fourth one because that one is the straight line, the QQ plot one.
Yeah. values are measured without error.
Yeah. So, okay. I think that was all of them, right?
Yeah. We are almost done.
Okay, so I just submitted, and the only one wrong is number 8.
8.
Yeah. He's good.
What'd you get?
I just got 17 out of 18.
17 out of 18? I haven't got that far yet.
Doc, did you have any idea on number 8?
Hey, what'd you get for number 7? It was B, right?
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay, I wrote the wrong number down. And then on number 4, the residual is the observation between y and the value predicted regression line, right? I goofed somewhere, so that's why I'm like...
Yeah. C.
Yeah. Oh, that's why. Okay. And then, wait, let me see here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, whatever. That still missed 8.
Did you put on 8?
I had the 3. A, B, and D. It was still wrong.
A, B, and D marked.
Or A, B, and E. I marked.
Okay.
And I missed 2 because I messed up on 1. Shoulda. Doesn't matter.
Yeah, this one's hard. I can figure it out. Josh, did that Googling the 5 assumptions help? No? Alright. Hey, this is dumb.
I think we're just destined to get that one wrong.
Yeah. Dang it. Alright.